Hello everyone, I am Laxmi Murarka and today I want to share my incredible journey through the Transformative Grow program. As an accomplished IT functional consultant with extensive experience in the manufacturing industry, this program has truly been a game changer for me. When I received the nomination for the Grow program, I knew it was an opportunity I couldn't miss. Yet, I remember asking my boss if I was really eligible for this investment that the company was making in me. The GROW program offered a wealth of knowledge and practical insights through its daily videos and weekly lessons. Each day, I eagerly absorbed the engaging, informative videos that covered a wide range of leadership topics. The weekly sessions allowed us to delve deeper into these concepts, fostering meaningful discussions and providing a platform for a real world application. One of the most valuable aspects of the GROW program was the opportunity to learn from my peers. Connecting with them, all on a similar journey of self improvement, was an invaluable experience. We shared our unique perspectives, exchanged ideas, and supported one another. The collective wisdom and diverse backgrounds of my peers enriched my learning and broadened my horizons. The facilitator of the GROW program, Sandhya, is an exceptional mentor who provided unwavering support throughout our journey. Her expertise and guidance were instrumental in honing our leadership skills. She created a nurturing and inclusive environment, allowing us to explore our potential, embrace challenges, and push beyond our limits. Her dedication to our growth was truly inspiring. Participating in the GROW program has had a profound impact on my personal and professional growth. The program equipped me with a fresh perspective on leadership and provided me with practical tools and strategies. I have become more confident in my decision making, adept at problem solving, and effective in managing teams. The knowledge and skills I gained have already made a noticeable difference in my work, and I'm excited to continue applying them in my career. I'm thrilled to share that I achieved an outstanding score of 95% in the GROW program. It is a testament to the incredible value and impact the program had on my personal and professional development. If you are seeking to elevate your leadership capabilities and unlock your full potential, I highly recommend the GROW program. It will challenge you, inspire you, and empower you to become the exceptional leader you aspire to be. Don't hesitate to take this incredible opportunity. Thank you and all the best.